Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we're in the prairie at Brookside Glen in Sherman. We're going to take a quick peek at 195 Possum Pass. This recently listed attached ranch by the great Jane Hay sales and staging team is only $154.9. So let's go check it out. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2-car attached garage, 1,400 square feet with an open floor plan, and has plenty of updates. To get all the details, just click on the links below. This is Mike Finley with the Real Estate Group, your full-time real estate agent. And wow, selling Central Illinois for over 20 years. I want to personally invite you to my open house here this Sunday, June 28th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Your new home is located near the Sherman Athletic Club, which holds so many great events. Plus, you're right down the street from the Rails Golf Course. Or you could just check out this beautiful new park in Sherman. So do me a favor, please like and share. Tell everyone you know who is looking to buy or sell a home to come see me, Michael Finley, your full-time real estate agent at 195 Possum Pass in Sherman this Sunday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.